Hey everybody, it's Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and I am going to give you a walkthrough tour of our one-bedroom villa at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort. So we're going to start over here in our entryway. As you can see here, this villa does have the opportunity to become a one-bedroom lock-off villa with the adjoining villa next door. We also have this great entryway space here with a table, which is really nice for being able to drop off your magic bands or your masks or keys. This is a locked closet, so you would not have access to this, but no worries there because there's plenty of other storage space in this villa. Now this is Saratoga Springs, so everything is themed after Saratoga Springs in New York, and horse racing is obviously a big part of the theming here. So you see that in a lot of the decor elements. But this is a great property if you have a family of 4 or 5 and you just want a little bit of extra space for your family, and if you also want some great added amenities like a full kitchen, in-unit laundry, separate sleeping spaces for kids and parents, you really can't do better than this particular location, I think. I'm going to come over here and show you this full kitchen first. As you can see, we really do have everything we need. We have this nice large fridge and freezer. We have our microwave. We have our full range and our oven down here. We have a toaster, of course. Some more counter space here. We have a full size coffee pot here, and they do provide you with some coffee and the things you'd need for that. Nice deep sink here. On the bottom, we do have a nice dishwasher, which is great. And then in these cabinets, you're going to have everything that you would need to cook and serve. So pots and pans, plates, glasses, silverware, coffee mugs, you name it. You would find it in these cabinets here. Over here in this dining space, you can see we have plenty of room to seat 4 people at this banquette. You could potentially seat 3 on that little bench back there, or if you need to, you could pull that ottoman up to the table and you could easily seat a 5th person that way. But you can sleep 3 people out in this living room space. So over here, you can see underneath the television, we have a single pull-down bed, which is plenty spacious for a child. And there's some great artwork under here. You got Goofy sitting on the back of his horse here. These rooms were recently renovated, and you can definitely tell that there is some just beautiful decor touches throughout. We have this sofa area here with an ottoman, but this actually becomes a pull-down queen Murphy bed. I'm not going to pull it all the way down because I'm in here filming this by myself, and it is a little easier to pull that down with 2 people. But you can see we also have some great artwork of Mickey and Minnie and the Clubhouse Pals over here. So as we make our way throughout the rest of the unit, over here we can see in-unit laundry. We have the stackable washer and dryer. And then over here, we'll come back to that bathroom in just a second. We have a separate sleeping space here. You do have your own door for plenty of privacy. I love this room. It's a great size room. I also really love this artwork over the bed because it's pretty black and white photographs, but they've superimposed Disney characters on top of it. You have plenty of storage space right there in that dresser. And as we come into this bathroom, we can see that we have a nice soaking tub here. We also have a good sized vanity and a nice sized closet in here. You can see we have plenty of luggage in here and still plenty of space to store that. There's a door right here that connects this part of the bathroom to this part of the bathroom, which if you prefer showers, baths, you have the shower in here, another separate sink, and then you also have a private water closet in here. So again, this was our 1-bedroom villa at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort. Great option for a family of 4 or 5 wanting a little bit of extra space and some added amenities.